Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. When is World Food Safety Day celebrated? Answer is 7th June. Second question. Which country will host the 81st International Air Transport Association Annual General Meeting? Answer is India. Third question. Which country has emerged as India's third largest export destination in 2023-24? Answer is Netherlands. Fourth question. Which is the first South American country to adopt Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI? Answer is Peru. Fifth question. India will launch the joint satellite mission called Trishna with which country? Answer is France. Sixth question. The State of the Ocean Report 2024 was released by whom? Answer is UNESCO. Seventh question. The popular donkey route is used for which of the following? Answer is illegal migration. Eighth question. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park is located in which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Ninth question. Oleg Kononenko became the first person to complete 1000 days in space. Oleg Kononenko belongs to which country? Russia. 10th question. Australia has decided to include non-Australian citizens of Five Eyes Alliance in its military forces. Which country is not included in Five Eyes Alliance? Answer is France. Then come to the Tripura and Northeast section. First question. Who among the below from Tripura has secured rank 1 in International English Olympiad for the year 2023-24? Answer is Satya Das. Second question. Who among the below from Tripura has secured rank 2nd in International Mathematics Olympiad 2023-24? Answer is Uchishman Devnath. Third question. In which state a new species of blue ant called Parapara trechina blue has been discovered? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.